Ducati, bro. If you watch the left foot, he improved a little bit his position. On the right one, a little bit less. And if you noticed, he only surpasses on the straights. I believe he's a little scared to surpass in corners right now, but that's perfectly fine. It's only his second season he rides, so with such a bike, you gotta take it a little bit more careful. But that right foot, we need to do something about it. This right foot needs to be fixed. We need to catch up after this. I need to use my rear brake a little bit more, since when we go downward, I do not want my front brake to overheat. So yeah. But how nice that the friend blinks. That's what you should do when you surpass. Not like me. Take a good example from him. He doesn't surpass in blind corners and all that stuff, but this would be such a nice corner, and still a little bit of snow. Nice. Oh, they fixed this road, I see. Nice. We could build a snowman right there. Yeah, right. Surpass. This is what being free means. Everyone, go buy that bike you ever wanted. You wanted your life. Go buy it right now. Or start the license. Just go out, get a bike somehow and ride. It really is fun as fuck. You see up to there. So bro, surpass. Now or never. Never. Bro didn't give full gas, but neither did I. But I caught up to him. Now there's 50. Such a nice trip today. I really needed it. And tomorrow, I'm so sorry, my BMW. Tomorrow, I need to go back to Germany. I already looked into the weathercast, and there is no good weather in Germany. In Germany, it's supposed to be 15, 16 degrees when I get there, and it should be cloudy and sometimes a little bit rainy. And these are the prices here. Quite nice. I thought the camera stopped recording, but when we get down there I need to charge it, and I need to fix the clock for once in a while, because right now it's 1 hour later because of the time shift and I still didn't do it. If I go into neutral, maybe I should put in a gear. Real nice. And actually right now there are not that many points where you can surpass. But look at that view. Nice. Down there is Meran. You don't see it right now, I believe. But neither I see whether you record it with the bastard. So I hope you, DJI Nano, are recording, otherwise we have a problem. Actually, the Ducati is the only bike without cruise control and without heated grips between the three of us. Yeah, you see Meran right there. I believe that's Meran. Yeah, it should be. Thank you, my tourist. Thank you a lot, my friend. But now this brother needs to move as well. wow, today's really nice weather. I hope the camera catches it. I hope the camera has even enough battery now. And I'm wondering whether I should swap my quick shifter to GP shift. Maybe that's interesting. What do you say, guys? But I see already how I will shift down because I'm used to it. So yeah. Let me try something for Instagram.